Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik has just joined us. I extend a very warm welcome to him, along with our other dignitaries, Honorable Minister, Sports and Youth Services, Government of Odisha, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, Chairman, Hockey Promotion Council and former India Hockey Captain, Padma Shri recipient, Shri Dilip Turki, Principal Secretary, Sports and Youth Services, Government of Odisha, Mr. Vishal Kumar Dev, Jury Member, Sports Star Aces Award, Mr. M.M. Somaya, Senior Editor, Hindu Group, Mr. Ayan Sengupta, and CEO, Hindu Group, Mr. L.V. Navneet. I extend a very warm welcome to everyone. So, very good evening, everyone. On behalf of Sports Star and the Hindu Group, we extend a warm welcome to you to the Sports Star Aces Award 2021 Giants of the Decade Award Ceremony. Now I request Mr. Ayan Sengupta, Senior Editor, Hindu Group, to present the welcome address.
Hello, everyone. I would like to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa, Shri Naveen Patnaik, for the 2021 Sports Star Aces Awards. We also have here with us today the Honorable Minister Tushar Kanti Behera, Minister of Sports and Youth Services and E&IT. Moscow Olympic gold medalist and senior sports star jury member, Mr. M.M. Somaya. Shri Dilip Turki, former India hockey captain and chairman, Orissa Hockey Promotion Council. Principal Secretary, Sports and Youth Services of Government of Orissa, Sri Vishal Dev. And my colleague and CEO of the Hindu Group, L.V. Navneet. And also distinguished sports personalities, coaches, and youth of Orissa. We are thrilled to be here today in Orissa, easily the sporting capital of the country, to present the 2021 Sports Star Aces Giants of the Decade Trophy. We are eternally grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Patnaik, for agreeing to grace this occasion. This will be a hat-trick of Sports Star Aces Awards for Orissa, which has ushered in a sporting revolution over the past decade. Our esteemed jury, chaired by the iconic Indian opener, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, has been left thoroughly impressed by the state's long-term vision for the development of sports. The jury's decision was unanimous. All of them wanted to be here today to present the trophy to the Honorable Chief Minister, but the ongoing pandemic had made it difficult for them to travel. But I'm optimistic that we will be back here soon with every member of our jury to celebrate Indian sport and celebrate Orissa's commitment to Indian sports. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Sengupta. While hosting international events, creating unparalleled sporting infrastructure, and promoting sports and sportspersons, Odisha has been doing it all. We have a video to showcase this remarkable sporting journey of the state. Let's take a look. incredible journey. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned by Mr. Sen Gupta, the eminent jury headed by Mr. Sunil Gavaskar unanimously chose Odisha as the best state for the promotion of sports during the decade 2011-20. Let's hear it from the jury, including Indian sporting legend Mr. Gavaskar, 7 times world champion and the wizard of chess Mr. Vishwanathan Anand, the torchbearer of Indian football in international arena and former Indian football captain Mr. Baichung Bhutia, and 9 times national champion in badminton Miss Aparna Popat. We have a video. Let's take a look.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Orissa State for being the best sports state for a decade. I think Sports Star jury have unanimously chosen.
Odisha has actually done extremely well in the last 4 years, and the majority of sports people refer to that. I think it's wonderful. I really feel that we should appreciate what states do. They do make a difference, and they do take the time and effort and really push sports a lot, and it deserves to be acknowledged.
They've actually contributed to Indian sport in entirety. So if you look at the infrastructure that they have put up, which is absolutely world class, and again that has come through partnerships both private and public, and the government's done a splendid job there. You look at the events that they brought in and conducted, speaking of the Asian athletics, or you speak of the FIA Women's Hockey World Cup in 2018, which was a big success.
The contribution that the state is making towards development of sport in its particular state is not easy. If you're not part of that state, to see the development, to see the infrastructure come up. See, I've been to Bhubaneswar quite a few times to cover cricket matches, and in Bhubaneswar, I've seen the kind of development, kind of infrastructure that has come up.
Look at them looking at grassroots development very, very seriously and putting efforts there. Sports education is something that they're looking at. Sports having space there. So all in all, I think overall they have really put out a very well thought out and very well executed sort of plan, and they just keep growing. I mean, every time you hear news about sports in Odisha, it just really gladdens your heart. And absolutely, they're not thinking for the short term; they are thinking for the long term. The investments are for the long term, and I think today they're certainly the leaders when it comes to sports in India.
Over the last decade, the amount of initiative, amount of investment to build sports infrastructure and encouragement to a lot of sports persons as well. I think Odisha has no doubt been the best performing state in terms of sports. So congratulations once again, and congratulations to the government of Odisha and Sports Department.
Yes, a big thank you to all our jury members, and we are also privileged to in fact have with us right now one of the jury members and gold medal winning former India hockey player Mr. M.M. Somaya. May I request him to speak a few words here.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik, the Honorable Sports Minister of Odisha, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, Principal Secretary Mr. Vishal Dev, my friend Dilip Tirki, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me say it's an honor to be sharing the dais with the Honorable Chief Minister, who's really a sports lover at heart. I thought I'd share a few points of what we discussed during the jury meeting a few days back under the chairmanship of Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. The 3 key areas that we spoke about where Odisha has done exceptionally well, the first being the ability to harness talent at the grassroots. we hear about the program in Sundargarh where 17 astroturfs are going to be laid, one for each block of that district. I think that's a wonderful gesture, and that's taking infrastructure right up to the doorstep of people in the rural areas, and that's a wonderful initiative. The second initiative that we did speak about, and the second pillar on which the entire Odisha model is based, is the development of high-performance centers for training. It's a partnership between the public, the private companies, and expert sports persons. I think this is a very robust model. It's not only for hockey, but we have high-performance centers for 8 to 10 disciplines. And I'm certain, and the jury is certain, that over the next decade, we're not going to get only champions in hockey, but we're going to get champions in disciplines like shooting, swimming, football, and weightlifting, where high-performance centers have been started in the state of Odisha. The third point that we did talk about was the ability to organize marquee tournaments. I was here in 2018 to see the Hockey World Cup, and it was really a showcase of the organizational skills of the people of Orissa. The organization was impeccable, and the tournament was conducted in a carnival atmosphere. And little wonder then that the next World Cup in 2023 is again headed towards Orissa. It's probably the first time ever that 2 successive World Cups are going to be held in the same state. So congratulations for that. But what is really important to the jury was that with these initiatives and many others, here in Orissa, you've been able to inculcate a sporting culture among the masses, both in the cities and the rural areas, and that's something special to Orissa. This transformation of Odisha to its current status as a sports capital of the country required a visionary leadership, and I think that visionary leadership has been provided by the Honorable Chief Minister. It is also called for concerted action from the sports ministry, the administrators, coaches, players, and sports lovers in general. And I'm certain that they will continue to give sports the importance that it richly merits. As a member of the jury, on behalf of the jury, I'd like to congratulate the government of Odisha for this very special honor of being the best state for the last decade. And I wish you all success in your endeavors in the coming decade. And I'm sure you'll consolidate your position as the sports capital of India. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Somaya, for those words of encouragement. Could I now request Mr. M.M. Somaya to present, yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Sports Star Aces, Giants of the Decade, Best State for Promotion of Sports Award to Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik. It is under his leadership that Odisha has emerged as a leading destination of sports in India. I request all dignitaries to please come forward for this, and let's give a huge round of applause. তালিটা জোরদার হওয়া দরকার। Thank you.
Honorable
Well,
Minister,
while accepting the Sports Star Aces Award in 2019 in Mumbai, Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Naveen Patnaik had said, passion to win a game will make you a winner, and passion for the game will make you an icon. And it is indeed his passion for the development of sports in the state that Odisha has bagged this prestigious award today. May I now request the video message of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik.
Honorable Minister, Shri Tushar Kanti Behra, Olympian Shri Somaya, Chairman Odisha Hockey, Promotion Council, Sri Dilip Tirki, officials from Sports Star Group, eminent sports persons, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a moment of great pride for us in Odisha to be honored with the decade's best state for promotion of sports for the period 2011 to 2020. I humbly accept this award on behalf of the people of Odisha. I thank the eminent jury headed by renowned cricketer Sri Sunil Gavaskar for choosing Odisha as the best state for promoting sports. ମୁଁ ଏ ଆୱାର୍ଡକୁ 4.5 କୋଟି ଓଡ଼ିଶାବାସୀ ମୋର ଭାଇ ଓ ଭଉଣୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ବିଶେଷ କରି ଆମର युवा बंधु मानक समर्पण करुछि से कोविड-19 प्रति आह्वान को आमे साहस सहित मुकाबला करी आसी ता सहित नुआ ग्लोबल बेंचमार्क स्थापन करी पारिछु आसंतु प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में आमे नुआ नुआ कीर्ति स्थापन पाई उद्यम करिबा एक सशक्त और नुआ ओडिशा गठन दिगरे आमर उद्यम को आहुरी शक्तिशाली करिबा ऐसे आमर युवा बंधु मानकर विशेष भूमिका रहिबो for generations in India sports start with the window to the world of sports. It has been a source of inspiration and motivation for decades before the era of television and internet. I'm happy that Sportstar is continuing its rich tradition of promoting and recognizing sports achievements in India. I wish Sportstar Group the very best in the coming years. Sports has a major role in building a healthy and disciplined society. The youth have to be guided to productivity, utilize their energies, and make them well-rounded personalities. With this vision, we have been proactively supporting sports across the state. Odisha has now become famous for its flawless conduct of national and international sports events. Even at a short notice, the Asian Athletics 2017 has been a landmark event for us in putting together a spectacular show within just 90 days time period. We have organized the Men's Hockey World Cup Tour 2018 and will be hosting the next edition as well in Bhubaneswar and Rourkela in 2023. Odisha is building the largest hockey stadium in the country in Rourkela for the Hockey World Cup. We are also building India's first indoor athletics track. We will be probably the only state to plan for the indoor sports halls and fields across all urban local bodies. The project is to be launched shortly and will be completed by next year. Odisha has started the unique partnership model with the corporates and eminent sports persons to start high-performance centers in various sports disciplines. Kalinga Stadium Sports Complex is emerging as a major destination for sports in India. Recently, the Indian javelin team has camped in the Kalinga Stadium for their Tokyo Olympics preparation. We have also launched a large-scale grassroots program in Sundargarh district, which has produced many international hockey players. We are going to construct synthetic hockey turfs in every block of the district. We are ambitious about our sports programs for the youth, and we would like to create the best infrastructure and provide top-class coaching for our sports persons. I dedicate this award to the thousands of sports persons from the state who work hard every day to bring glory to the state and the nation. I dedicate this award to tens of lakhs of youth of the state with great potential. I call upon them to think big and assure that the state government will always be there to support them, realizing their dreams and making the state proud. Sports for youth and youth for future. Thank you. Bande Uttam.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chief Minister. In fact, your leadership continues to inspire each and every one of us. May I now request Mr. L.V. Navneet, CEO Hindu Group, to present the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. This is the third time in a row the state of Orissa is winning this award, including the decade. If winning is a habit, this is proof that winning really is a habit. I think if the beautiful trophy behind me had wings, it would have flown into this wonderful state the day it was minted. We are extremely delighted to have flown in today into this beautiful city and share the moment with the Honorable Chief Minister and his team and hand over this wonderful trophy in person. At Sports Star, we truly believe that sports is for the greater good. We think sports builds the nation's character. It builds individuals' character. And if anything, sports is all about doing something for the society, and sports is for the greater good. But an important question to engage with is, while sports is for the greater good, what is good for sports? I think the state of Orissa has deeply introspected this question many years ago, imaginatively found a solution, and has been extremely consistent in engaging with this problem and delivering a beautifully crafted solution. So on behalf of the Hindu Group, our directors, employees, and each and every member of Sports Star, my compliments to the Chief Minister and his team for having delivered on this commitment. As a publishing house and as a magazine, we are extremely proud of what we do. We are extremely proud of the Sports Star Aces Awards. We put in a lot of effort. There's a lot of commitment into the process of selection. But what is really heartening is the value that is attached to this award. The fact that the team here, guided by the Honorable Chief Minister, asked us to come here today, be in person, present the award, put together a beautiful function with all of you participating, to us means the state values our awards. That is heartening, that is gratifying, and sir, we assure you, we are with you, and we will work together to build a greater sports future for this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I would like to thank all our esteemed dignitaries and the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik, for gracing this award ceremony. Thank you, everyone. Can we have a big round of applause for Odisha? Come on. Giant of the Decade Award. And a big thank you to our Honorable Chief Minister.